Hi neighbors, what's good in the neighborhood today? Hurricane Elsa or not? We're going to, always want to check in.
Yeah.
And today we're doing a never have I ever question,
Woo-hoo.
the parent edition. So, the rules are, we're going to give our honest responses if we have or have not done whatever is asked. So I have prepared my questions, Tina did her questions, and we're going to answer honestly. And I'm just going to, learn something about Tina today.
And Paul, let's see who is the better parent. Okay?
This will really show character. Alright, so let me start. Never have I ever got worried when there's too much silence.
Yeah.
This is a no-brainer.
Yeah. When the place too quiet, rungs.
If I'm on phone or whatever in the room and we're like,
Rungs are gone.
5 minutes gone and no Layla, no Zara. Okay, just run outside because something is on fire, or some Vaseline take up,
Or
or
lipstick.
Desitin, or something.
Or powder. One day I came home and not came home. One day I had some little tiny bottles of powder in a drawer, like about 6 that Paul's mother gave me. And one day I come in the room, come find one of the bottle empty out on the ground, on the bed.
Or you can have a new pack of wipes and every single wipe is in the garbage bin, just not used, nothing. Just
That happened just this week.
5 minutes, just done.
Yeah, the entire packet of wipes, new brand packet of wipes, just open,
just gone.
just empty out in the garbage. Just done. And my turn. Never have I ever said parenty things like go potty to other adults. Have you ever done that?
You mean like tell them to go potty?
Yeah, or like I have to go potty. Like I'll be back soon. I have to go potty.
No, I don't think I've done that.
I'm pretty sure I have.
I don't think I've done that. Guys, don't do that, guys. That's not cool.
What do you mean? You say it so often. You have to go potty. I'm sure I've said it to you. Like we're going out and you need to go potty.
Yeah, but that not to somebody else outside. That's.
But you're an adult.
No, I don't count. I'm a parent. I'm a co-parent.
All right, next question. Your turn.
All right. So next question. Never have I ever Googled my child's symptoms when they're sick.
Oh boy, no brainer. Really?
You see this right here?
You've never done that?
This right here, Dr. Google. So she
No.
put in every symptom and then she have her diagnosis, right? And then now she can't sleep the night because all the things that are going through her brain and how it add up to what her diagnosis
Yes,
is. And if
but
that's the case, then oh my gosh, we need to do
No,
this
but
by this
but
time.
you need to
Call the
know.
doctor.
You need to know. I need to know that it's not something
But you
more
don't-
severe
Google
than
cannot-
I think it is.
Google
Than I
can't-
think it could be.
Google cannot confirm.
Who don't do that? Who don't? I can't believe you don't. You've never done that.
No, I'm not going to do that because I know you would.
Oh, so just leave all the worry on me here.
You create the word. I'm not a doctor, so I'm not going to try a doctor.
But no, I'm not trying to doctor the problem, I'm just trying to get to the bottom of what it possibly
But she
could
created-
or could not be.
But look at it, she go create a next problem because not just know the baby sick, but now she start fret over something that it could not, it's possibly not. You see? Make the doctor do the doctoring.
Fine.
Your question.
Okay. Never have I ever fallen asleep on the toilet. Been so tired.
At home
Or
or somewhere else?
Okay, let's just keep that general. Let's put up your answer. Let's put up our answers.
Ready.
First things first. Okay.
Okay, no. First of all, I'm surprised that you don't do that. Because alright, you see me when I go to the toilet, when I go to the bathroom.
Hold on
generally-
there. Let's qualify that.
When I go to the bathroom,
Since becoming parents,
regardless,
or just like
generally, when I go to the bathroom, guys, whether it's to bathe, number 1, number 2, I am in and out in a jiffy. She can tell you, like,
Yes.
I'm not play. If I go into shower,
Paul-
5 minutes in and out, and I drying off in that 5 minutes.
Yeah, Paul is very efficient.
So is at the moment I need to go to the bathroom, I'm going, and I'm in, out, like that. Alright, not saying anything else. You never drop asleep in the bathroom?
I don't think so. I don't think so.
I find that very strange, but okay. Never have I ever whisper screamed to your child.
Knowing me, yeah.
That's a no-brainer, guys.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I have. I'm pretty sure I've done
That's a whisper scream, but you know the fake gets up like.
We do enough of that.
Layla. Yeah, push her the make some noise with
the chair,
table or
or the
something,
chair.
yeah? And you try because you just want to get them shook. But sometimes they just laugh after you.
Yeah.
Sometimes I think it's a game. It's really
Yeah.
strange.
I think I've done it when I have company, when I'm in company, or you go somewhere like church, and them just go.
Yeah. Yeah, it's just a little come like.
You know. I think during when we were at church during the pandemic.
Yes, exactly.
And you were
And all over the
inside,
place.
and so we had to basically, since the whole pandemic thing and the restrictions in church, myself, Layla, Zara used to sit outside of church, just by the doorway. Normally we sit where we can see Paul and where we can see everything that's happening up on the stage and stuff like that. And yeah, them just to keep still. Them a walk up and down all over the place. Them a pick up stone. Them a pick up crumbs. Them a touch, them a touch some worm thing. So of course you know I make up that nice at church there and pastor preach and or announcement.
You know, you get a strong face with a message, embodied in it. You have to do the whole for that, man.
Oh, me know Hannah used to get it. The eye, the look. The stare down.
Yeah, you have to do that.
And I get enough of that. Okay, let's see here. Never have I ever discovered fossil, otherwise called rotten foods, in the car.
All the time.
The question really is though, never have I ever left food to rot in the car.
No. The question is
famous for that.
The question is what it is, and this is the parent edition. So this is all about the children. When Leylans are eating things in the car,
Me hear this now. Make I hear this
for
now.
example, eating apple, the seed is there, them just throw it down. See them style that?
Yes, but
When
yours.
when Tina's around the back, eating chips or anything, tell me people
No.
who will do that.
Tina might leave. Okay.
Okay.
I want the bag might fall from me. I might be doing something else and the bag falls, the wrapper falls.
You don't make things fall. When you finish something, you tuck it into itself. And it's perfectly positioned there, It's like
No, I'm not
garbage,
I'm
it's the
not
work
saying
of
that
art.
I don't leave garbage in the car on occasion, But Paul will get something, pineapple, corn, and that stay in the car, and remember it none tall, till they got in the car and you're like, what is that smell? You've done it. Guilty as charged.
And it's just because
Guilty.
I forget. It's because I forget, guys.
We're not qualified and I answer them.
Next question. Never have I ever farted and blamed it on my child. All the time.
You will blame it on the post. You blame it on all Chelsea.
Woo!
King of farts, right here.
Where must start? I'm a fart for a 5. Guys, I tell you, sometime I'm in the room and I'm like, Layla, come on, man, why you must do that? Or worse, one of the newborns, Eden. Man, Eden, come on, man.
Listen, and Paul. And anyway, I'll just leave it there. Let's just leave it. We'll leave it right there.
No, man, that one. Sure.
Okay, my turn. Never have I ever thought of
Oh, boy.
laughing at a child, at my child.
What of that? Child.
Yeah. Straight answer. Ready? 1, 2, 3. You! No, Paul. No, Paul.
When that?
You have never.
I just laugh at them. For example, if I see it like a couple times, them drop asleep, even this yesterday, them drop asleep on the floor, I'm not taking them up. I'm going for the camera. This is the first thing I'm going for, the camera. And I'm going to video it and I'm going to say, babe, look at this. And me, I laugh, me. And it's in public or something. When you try to hold back.
No, if they're doing something like the other day when I was telling a story about Layla and oh no, I actually did laugh.
No, so me now hold back my laugh.
I actually did laugh. I tried to hold it back though.
But Layla will say that's not funny.
Yeah.
That's not funny. That's not funny.
That's not funny.
That's not funny. But me, I laugh. I am laughing. Never have I ever, and listen closely, never have I ever used my child as an excuse. Ready? Go.
I'm ashamed to say it.
We can move on.
Let's do that.
No, this one right here is it's true. It's like you can. Oh gosh, you know what I do it, but I can't leave Tina alone with all these children.
Me no say you.
No, but it's true. Still,
you would have had a lot of reasons to use that excuse, even more than I would.
Yes.
Because persons presume that because
excuse
I am
is a really
the
strong word.
Yeah, it's not so much excuse.
It's a legitimate reason.
Yeah. But you have it.
Yeah, it's
always in your back pocket.
Oh, you know, oh gosh, man, this just creep up on me.
Yeah, worse no.
Yeah, man, no, you know what I mean, but Tina have her hands full. I couldn't do that. I can't leave her there with all these children.
Oh no.
No, I can't. No.
Alright, next one. Never have I ever incorrectly guessed which twin was in a photo.
Oh, this is easy. All the time. She always thinks she have the answer, and I just concede because I can't know.
Yeah, but I'm correct more times than I'm incorrect. A lot more times than I'm incorrect.
Yeah, but how do we know who is correct? Even Google Photos, by the way, has some really creepy stuff.
Yeah, their facial identification.
They can tell me different people in the photos. When you're searching, I see my mother, I see some people at work who I randomly have one picture with, and they come up as somebody. They can't tell them apart sometimes. But she thinks she have AI, artificial intelligence lock, and is able to
forget the artificial. This intelligence is natural.
Face recognition because she's
but
I can't bother.
Yes, but there are little subtle differences. Layla and Zara, as you guys have heard us say before, they're not actually identical twins. They're not genetically identical. They are fraternal twins, but somehow they look a whole lot alike.
My G.
So, okay.
Moving on.
Why?
But otherwise, it's two different eggs and two different sperms.
Yeah.
My genes.
Okay, dear.
Don't do this for me.
Oh, man,
okay.
Anyhow.
Moving on.
Yeah, still, you produce a lot of those things anyway on ordinary occasions. For a woman to produce 2 eggs in one cycle, you know how phenomenal that is?
But for them to look like me, both from 2 different eggs, it's pretty phenomenal as well.
Okay.
And
Alright, you.
She just had to take with my hype.
Fine, keep your hype, keep it. Jeez,
Never have I ever incorrectly guessed which picture my child drew.
Which picture they drew?
Picture.
Or what they drew in the picture?
What they drew in the picture.
Oh!
What a beautiful flower. That's not the flower, that's Daddy. Wow. Wow. Daddy? Okay.
Yeah, scribble. This is mommy. This is mommy.
Like, wow, that is mommy.
Abstract art. Okay, how about this one? Never have I ever eaten my child's leftovers.
Oh gosh, man. Every day.
As a parent of 5, we cannot allow food to go to waste in this house.
Alright, you see Layla and Zara? Them eat. This is how them eat, right? So you feed them and them eat. And then them come back so for the second time. And then them go say it. You see them kind of eating there? It not really go well with eating a plate of food.
Yeah, them eat and move.
Yeah, so what I do? I will either share enough for me and them, or Sitina do it too.
Yeah.
Or if them
And let them eat from our plates. Yeah, let them eat from
I
our
eat in
plates.
between.
Especially dinner. Dinner is the breakfast time is not as bad, but dinner time, man, them roam.
All the place. It's like them getting out all the energy that they got an allotment of energy for the day, and they need to finish it before bedtime. Cause you can't roll over and them just say, you know what? Time going. Look how we can get it out. My turn.
Your turn.
Alright. Never have I ever ran an errand to get away from my kids. Easy. Wow. Don't judge me, guys. Please.
Just put up your answer.
You have never?
I have never done it. I have offered to, but you've never taken me up on my offer. Babe, would you like me to go to the supermarket? Babe, would you like me to do this for you today? Would you like me to do that for you today?
No.
But guess what? No, babe.
That's me being
No,
a
babe.
considerate husband, guys.
Let me go. Let me go.
Listen, you see? Don't take my kindness for weakness. You see what me and can do? Don't take my kindness. Listen that.
I don't think it's Kenwood.
But you know that song there?
Yes.
Yeah, man. But you see, guys, I'm being a considerate husband, you know? But not in a lie still.
Confess.
Going to the supermarket,
Confess your
walking
sins
through the
one
aisle
to
sometime.
another.
It's just like, breath of fresh air.
Me know, man. Me know.
Just driving
Me
to
know.
my mother's house or driving somewhere.
Me know.
Wow. Peace and quiet. Yeah.
Tell you. Okay, how about this one? Never have I ever spent longer in the bathroom than I should because I need a little peace and quiet.
So Latina all over.
Just put up your answer.
Ready? In and out, no time.
Listen, man.
Shall bring her phone in the bathroom. Me not have time to go up on phone.
No, you put on a little video, you put it up on the vanity, and you just, you multitask, you do a couple things at once. But I might be in the shower and I'm listening to music playing on the phone.
Before you know it, time just half an hour just gone.
Yeah, because sometimes, when I'm washing my hair, there's still a lot of hair to wash. I'm washing my hair, instead of it just being the sound of the running water, there's a little music playing in the background. So it's nice. So sometimes you just need some time. Everybody needs a little time away. You heard me say to my husband.
What?
Just ask a question, dude.
Never have I ever hid to eat a treat because I did not want to share it with the children.
Let me see this.
Father God, if you're watching,
Let me see this. Speak the truth and spite the devil.
alright, let's go. This no right.
Look here.
This no right.
No. This is very accurate, you see? Very accurate.
Look at, again, guys. This is all. You know, there are we answered a question before. One about if you go on the road to run errands, but really actually it was a misconception because I really do it out of my consideration as a husband and a father. So because I'm on the road now, doing all these stuff, the errands and all this, if I get a little queasy in my belly,
Look here.
I just say, you know what?
Sometimes you will see a little errand Burger King bag or KFC bag in the car and you're wondering, when did we have this meal? When did we eat out? We didn't eat out.
I wonder the same thing.
Paul ate out. Right?
Yeah, because I'm busy on the road.
Oh, you're just so...
Don't I bring home things for you guys all the time?
And ice cream.
Ice-
Explain ice cream.
Ice cream is going
ice
to
cream
melt.
and a full belly food.
That is self-explanatory, guys. Ice cream is going to melt, so
Listen,
I go.
regular thing.
You know, so one time still, no,
buy
like,
ice
one time-
cream. Eat it.
One time when Tina used to
No trace of it
used to do
to
our
come on.
masters at UA, I used to buy ice cream. Used to drop the kids at home, then go back in town to pick her up at UA. So I normally stop and buy ice cream in Portmore.
You dirty dog.
So one day now, we coming home from UA or something, and she said, "I'm go buy ice cream." And I stop at the place, and the lady said, "Hey, what you want? Crunchy munchie?" She said, "Which flavor you want?" I was like, "Lady."
Them know you.
I was like, "Lady."
You're regulars.
I forget I wanna go. She's like, "Oh, you bring your girlfriend today?" I was like, "Oh gosh, she's not supposed to know that I come here all the time. Just work with me, work with me." They not work with me. So yeah,
Listen,
if
you. What I will admit to doing. The children might be in the living room and I need to, have a snack. And because I know that their dinner time is coming up, I may, put a little bit of snack under my clothes and thing, and
me not that.
try not to make up the noise with the wrapper and walk to the room very quickly.
What I'll do,
I won't close the door, nothing, I will,
discreetly do it.
chew very quietly.
What I'll do, I'll wait till them gone to bed. All of them, whole of them. And I come out here and just eat my thing.
Yeah, cause regular we see things put way at the back of the fridge. And we was like, what's that?
The VIP section of the fridge. You have to take out the bleachers and then you have a grandstand and the box. So I put my things in the box.
Regular we dig up things at the back of the fridge, where obviously was not meant to be found. Or I see ice cream or something, go back in the fridge and it's just gone, missing without a trace.
That could be Hannah still.
Don't blame Hannah.
We can bring Hannah in this because Hannah famous for that.
Okay, let's not even
Let's
get
not
started with
oh
Hannah.
gosh, wow.
We must never have her ever with Hannah.
Yeah.
We can discover some things.
Wow. But yeah guys, that is...
Wow!
You see, we learn a lot more about Tina today and how she needs to improve. We all need to get there. Everybody can be at my level, understand? So, don't mind them still, guys. But
Yeah.
parenting is really something. It's
Parenting, sometimes you have to sit down and laugh after yourself.
Yeah.
Laugh at yourself.
and I know some of you
laugh
guys
at
there watching
situations.
are like, yo, I've done this or done worse or something else.
I'm sure our parents did a lot of this stuff.
Let's
too.
know what you have on your mind in the comments. I could know what you do too, or what we never said that you know said one. I could know welcome. But important, we're starting our birthday club, guys. So
Woo, 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 woo. All who born July, skip around. All who born July, skip around. Cha la 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 la, cha la 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 la. All who born July, skip around.
So everybody born July. Even if you don't normally comment, especially if you don't normally comment, just stick.
Drop it in the comments. Drop it in the comments.
Just stick up your hand in the comments, and we're going to big you up in one of the following videos. Okay? So everybody born July 1 to July 31. Stick a finger up in the comments and make the neighborhood give you a hail. Also, for the month of July leading up to Emancipation Day and Independence Day, we'll be doing some shorts with festival songs. So let us know in the comments what your favorite festival song is. So
yeah,
I'm on Barnia or
What a Bam Bam. What a bum bum.
So let us know in the comments what your favorite festival songs are, Cheerio Baby or whatever.
Yeah.
I will try to put it together for you guys for the month of July, lead up to August.
So it's Saturday, and you see our video fresh. We are expecting some severe weather.
Late.
We are expecting some severe weather this weekend, so we want you guys to stay safe. Please stay safe and prepare for what we are expecting. So don't just say, oh well, weather people are always wrong. Nevertheless, just do like a check. Make sure you have your little bit of extra food and check and make sure
your neighbors are right.
Your neighbors, right? Very important.
Yeah.
Your neighbors are okay.
Thanks for watching, and as usual, you don't know, big up from me and
my house, Love or no.
Take care. Work on a thumbnail now.
Oh, so